Hi Bluebirds. So today I'm going to show you how to make lemonade. Have you guys ever made lemonade from scratch before? Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But I know all of you have had lemonade before. And how delicious is it, friends? Right? It's so delicious and sweet. So I thought I would do a little video on how to turn these beautiful lemons and sugar and water into a delicious springtime treat. So friends, first things first is you need to make your simple syrup. So simple syrup is sugar heated up with water. Because friends, if we just put water, sugar, and lemon juice, all the sugar will come to the bottom of your drink and it won't be as sweet. So what we first need to do is make this simple syrup. And what you need for that is a little saucepan, some sugar, and a measuring cup to measure out some water. So what you're going to do is first measure up a cup of sugar. So you want to fill it to the brim. So you're going to fill it to the brim. Put your cup of sugar inside the saucepan. See all that delicious sugar in there? And then you are going to take your water, gotta fill up my water, right? To 1 cup of water. There we go, 1 cup of water. So you're gonna pour this in the saucepan. You see it now? See how it all, it's kind of hard to see. I'll tilt the video. See how all of this sugar has sunk to the bottom? Yeah. So we're going to take our saucepan and we are going to put it on the stove. So you're going to need your mom and dad's help with turning on the stove, of course. And you're going to start by putting it on a simmer. Okay? So while that is simmering, we are going to cut and juice our lemons. So you'll need about 5 lemons. Can you guys help me count these out? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need a total of 5 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I have, friends, I don't know what you have at home. Some of you may have a juicer that you can plug in, and some of you may have a hand juicer. So what I have is I'm going to use a hand juicer. And I'm going to, in order to juice these lemons, I need to cut them in half. So I'm going to have your mommies and daddies do this part because knives are sharp, right? And we want to have a perfect cut in the middle, okay? So you're going to take a bowl or a cup. Might as well use your measuring cup so you can measure out a cup of lemon juice. So you're going to pop it in there and then you're going to squeeze, use your muscles to squeeze out all that juice. Do you see it coming out of those holes? And this is a great juicer, friends, because it catches all the seeds. So no seeds get into this mixture because seeds aren't too fun to accidentally get caught in your teeth, right? Okay, there's 1 lemon. If I've juiced 1 lemon, friends, how many are left to juice? Should we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've juiced 1 lemon. And friends, do you guys know that these lemons are compostable? So if you ask your mommies and daddies if you have a compost bin and you can put it in your bin. And your compost bin is the green trash can outside of your house. And what goes in the green trash can is all food scraps. So that's great, friends, because that means that if you're putting food scraps in a compost bin, that means less trash is going to the landfill. Okay, so I'm going to keep cutting these in half. Here we go. Remember, use those muscles to really squeeze and bring the handles together. Okay. Watch it slowly fill up. Okay, so I have juiced, how many lemons have I juiced, friends? I've juiced 2 so far. So now we have 3 more left to juice, okay? Okay, friends, so I have to check on my simple syrup. So when you have this saucepan on the stove, you need to make sure that you're stirring to help that sugar dissolve into one liquid. Okay, so make sure you check on your stove and you're stirring it until it completely dissolves. Okay, we're on our 3rd lemon. Do you guys see this juice starting to fill up? Here we go, friends. I have my lemon juice, fresh lemon juice mixture. So I'm going to get a pitcher. Here's my pitcher. I'm going to pour my lemon juice mixture like that. And then I have my simple syrup, right? So once that sugar is all dissolved, then you can take it off the heat and pour it into your pitcher. Just like that. And then, friends, you want to add, the last thing you add is about 2 to 3 cups of water. So you're going to go to your sink and fill up your measuring cup. So here's 2 cups of water. And then you want to add 1 more cup, so a total of 3 cups. There you go, and then you're going to mix it all together. And friends, since this simple syrup that we cooked on the stove is quite hot, you can add some ice cubes too. Maybe just 3. Mix it. And then you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay? So you're going to pop it in your fridge like this. In your fridge, wait 30 minutes, which is half of an hour. And then you could enjoy your delicious lemonade. Okay, friends, I hope you have fun making this recipe, and maybe we can do a virtual cheers when you make it. Okay, I miss you all and I love you. Talk to you soon. That is delicious and sweet. Okay, friends, talk to you soon.